Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Austin.Fennern out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. We're going to do a little video walk around today down at our new RV park. We're going to show you one of our 2018 Chevy 3500 High Country package, brand new diesel. It's got like 45 miles on it. We'll come over here and look. It's got the chrome trim package, which is always really nice to have. Fully leather interior. You see that it has the wood grain finish on the center and on the door panels there. It's the dark saddle leather interior. I'll walk around to the driver's side, show you a couple of the buttons. So as you jump in here, you got the nice running boards. We'll look over here, you got built-in trailer brakes, which is nice. You don't have to put a brake controller in here. This guy is ready to tow. Four-wheel drive selector, auto for your lights, which is really nice. You got your Bluetooth here, cruise control, heated steering wheels, which is all really nice. The Bose sound system. You have all sorts of switches and plugs up front. 12-volt power outlets. You can plug in an actual phone charger there. Exhaust brake, parking sensors. You got lights down the bed in the back, which is super nice. Big touch screen display. We'll go ahead and power that on and show you guys that there. Dual thermostat up front, which is nice. Keep it hot on the driver's side, cool on the passenger side, which is always nice. Heated seats, big touchscreen display, backup cameras all built in there. You got the OnStar right there up on the backup camera. Sunglass holders, everything's built in. There's your speaker for your Bluetooth. Inside the center, lots of storage right here. Phone charger, USB plugs. I mean, this thing has it all. You could fit your lunchbox in there almost. That's pretty cool. We'll look at a couple other features here. It's already got the bed liner all set up, ready to go, so that's always nice. You got the nice tow package there. There's all your electrical adapters. We have it connected to this 2018 28 IBG Attitude. We're going to do a little demonstration on how you can fit your side-by-side in here. A lot of people come in and look, and they always have questions. They want to grab the tape measure, make sure it fits. So today we're just going to help you guys out, and we're going to show you that side-by-side in the garage, so you guys can actually see that it's in there, how the slide room comes in around it. The floor of the slide room pops up, comes around the wheel. So that's a cool option. So I'll go ahead and meet you guys in the back and we'll kind of go over that feature. All right, so we're at the back here. Once again, this is the 28 IBG Attitude. There's your ramp, drops straight down, connects to the ground. Side by side fits in there wonderfully. As we were coming in, we had so much room at the top. You could even drive these guys in with a light bar, which is a super cool function. So this is a full-size two-seater YXZ, so super easy to get in there. As you come in over here, we'll go down the driver's side so I could show you guys. He's going to run the slide room in, but what you do is, if you just want to stand there, as the slide room comes in, this bottom piece will fold up right here, and when it runs in, you have the slots here, so it'll go right around the tire. So the nice feature is you can put your side-by-side in here, but by having the slide room, it gives you that extra room to have the tip out, so it's a little more spacious in the back as you guys are camping. So what we'll do now, we're going to run the slide room out and show you. These have a back party patio, is what we call them. So we'll set that up and show you guys how that works. Want to run the slide room out? So once again, I'll just lift this up, make it nice and smooth as it goes in and out. It's all electric, which is super nice. Runs straight from your batteries, or if it's plugged into your truck, so you don't have to hand crank that guy out. So we're all the way out there. All right, guys, so we just showed you how you can fit a side-by-side in this 28 IBG Attitude. He's jumping in there now. We're going to show you him coming out so you can see how much clearance he has at the top, and then we're going to set up that party patio for you. So So as he's coming out here, so plenty of room at the top. You could even put a light bar on your side-by-side, and you'd have no issues. Smooth, easy transition right out of the back of the toy hauler. You're at your campsite, you're ready to go. So as he parks, I'll show you the cool features. So now that you're out, you're at your campground, you're setting up. All you got to do to set up this patio is there's a cable on each side of the door. These doors are so light, you can grab it with one hand. When you lift up, there's a pin right here on each side of the door. I'll show you guys that. Pull the pin out. All you got to do, line that cable up, push it through, pin it on each side, and it's a matter of what it takes. 2 minutes to set up your party patio, set up your campground. You got 2 nice recliner chairs on the inside of these guys. You can bring them out here, sit them on the patio, set up your card table, and you guys are off to have a great weekend. So if you guys have any questions, my name is Austin.Fennern. Over here we got Jesse, the Sand Dude Davenport, brought in his side-by-side today. So we had a lot of fun showing you guys these toy haulers. You can reach me at my cell phone number, 541-972-2484, or at the link at the bottom. Thanks, everybody.